Alright then guys, this is just a little video on how to use polleverywhere, which is an instant audience feedback response website. The site allows you to create questions that students have to text their answers into. You can either create graph ones like you can see here, that students vote and they visually see the graph and the results go up and down on the screen, or you can create open-ended polls which you can produce a question and then students have got to text in their answer, and it's good for creating debates and things like that. It's very simple to use. First you've got to do is sign up, so you've got to sign up, create your own account, just enter a few details and you'll be on your way. We've already created one at Westfield, and most of the PE departments got their individual ones now. So I'll just go to login and use our own login details. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to this screen, which is your home page, and on there you can see some of the polls that I've created before. These little boxes here indicate the number of responses. Now for the text and the responses to be free for students, you've got to make sure that you've got under 40 on each poll, so you don't want to go above 40 responses. So after that, I think the charge is standard text rate, which is something like 10 pence, but most students, or well, most phone providers now provide free text messages, so it's worth checking with the students before you carry on if you want to go over 40 responses. Anyway, like I said, some of these are my own polls that I've set up already, but you can create new polls by clicking on this one here, and in there you just write your questions. So for example, we'll put, what is your favourite animal? This icon here is then going to create your poll, so you click on there. If you want it to be a multiple choice question, you click there. This would then allow you to it'd open up some more option bars, and you can put in the answers that you want to select. That way you'll get a sort of graph poll that the students can see move up and down depending on what they vote for. But we'll have an open-ended poll for this one, so I'll just click continue, and that will go on to create my poll, which comes up here. What is your favourite animal? The number here is the polleverywhere text number, so this is the number that students need to put in their phone to send their actual text message to, or their vote. So they can store that number there in the phone as the polleverywhere number. This number here is the specific code for this poll that you've created. So students will type in the body of the message, this number, and then they will put their answer after it. So once they've done that, they'll send their answers in, and I've just sent one through, see if it should come up. It should work hopefully. So I've put 55725 and then my favourite animal, which is a lion. There you go, it flashes up instantly. So the students' responses will come up automatically underneath each other, and you can scroll through the answers, and like I said, it's good for creating discussion. It's interactive, it engages the kids straight away. Once you've finished using the poll, there's a few options on this side, so you can stop the poll, you can delete it, you can clear the results by clicking this button, and it will just instantly clear the results that you had on your screen. To get back to your own polls, alright, you want to put polls up here in the top left hand corner, and then that will take you back to the polls. As you can see, the one that I've just created comes down here at the bottom. As we've deleted or cleared the results, there's no responses there. That basically is in a nutshell how to use polleverywhere. It's really simple. Go ahead and give it a go.